I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the MCAT. First, you'll want to thoroughly understand the exam structure, which includes 4 distinct sections. Next, create a realistic study schedule, often spanning 3 to 6 months, to cover all the material. Finally, gather high-quality study materials, prioritizing official MCAT resources to ensure your preparation is effective and targeted. This foundational planning is crucial for a successful study journey. Once your plan is set, dive into content review. Systematically cover all 7 foundational science topics, ensuring a strong grasp of biology, chemistry, physics, and psychology. Focus on high-yield concepts outlined by the MCAT, as these are most frequently tested. Employ active recall techniques, like flashcards, and spaced repetition to solidify your understanding and ensure long-term retention of complex information. This active approach is far more effective than passive reading. Content review alone isn't enough. Practice is paramount. Integrate practice questions daily to reinforce what you've learned and identify knowledge gaps. Crucially, take several full-length practice exams under strict timed conditions to build stamina and simulate the actual test environment. After each practice session, thoroughly review every single question, understanding both correct and incorrect answers. This detailed analysis is where significant score improvements are made. As test day approaches, shift your focus to readiness. Simulate test day conditions during your final 2 to 3 weeks, including your morning routine and breaks. Prioritize adequate sleep, nutritious meals, and effective stress management techniques to ensure you're at your best. On the day itself, trust the hundreds of hours you've invested in preparation and maintain a positive, confident mindset. You've worked hard for this moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.